I think it's very investment friendly, and it's a country with enormous potential. I think the GDP is growing at very attractive levels. The country is very managed fiscally very well, and a great workforce. And so we find Colombia to be a very attractive market for us, for PepsiCo, both on the foods and the beverages side.
I think so. I think this is a platform, right? And I think with the markets emerging at this stage, we are seeing a phenomenal opportunity where Colombia is being not only respected all throughout Latin America, but it's easy to do business here in Colombia. It's easy to do business. And in that kind of environment, everyone sees the economic boom in Latin America. This is a country that wants your business. And as a foreigner, you know, I have enjoyed not only the openness, friendliness, the culture, but these other markets also respect Colombian businesses, which is a big change. And that's what you want in your company. You don't want to have to keep on creating companies all over the world. You want a gateway company so they can go ahead into an entire region.
Colombia is a land of great opportunity for us, and I think for Colombia and for tourism generally. This is a place that, you know, we're standing in Cartagena, beautiful city, not very well known to travelers outside of Colombia. I think one of the challenges for Colombia is to make sure that it gets known, because people can have a tremendous experience here, whether they're traveling to Colombia to do business or whether they're coming for tourism. I think as the economy grows in Colombia, we see more and more business travel that comes here, more and more business travel that takes place within Colombia. And as that travel grows, we see the opportunity for additional hotels really across the country, but particularly Bogota and Cartagena, Cali, Medellin, as probably the biggest markets. The Free Trade Act between the U.S. and Colombia ought to enhance economic growth in Colombia. That's the theory, and it should work. And with economic growth will come more and more travel, because there'll be more business travel and more tourism, and that ought to feed opportunities for us.